So we're just here at TTW installations. I just thought to do a quick video on one particular upgrade that we've been doing on our own demo Defender here. There will be a lot more videos to come as regards to all the options and upgrades that we can now offer on the full Land Rover Defender range. But this particular one is to do with the soft close rear door. So obviously on a lot of the Defenders, you just have to slam the actual door to close it at the back. But now with this particular upgrade that we're now offering here at TTW, is that all you have to do is just gently close the actual door and it will automatically soft close. So it just puts an end to having to slam the back of your Defender door. So if you are interested in this particular upgrade or any other upgrades, then please give us a call at TTW Installations.